Hey, Amy.
Hey, David.
I love our tune.
I'm so excited about this song. I think it's gonna be so good.
Friends over feelings, yeah, that's how we keep it. We share all our secrets, but we
David and I have been working together for years. Everything we create is always from the heart. And so when quarantine hit, I was concerned about how we were going to keep creating music together. We didn't even miss a beat because of OWC.
The Elektron Drive is pretty amazing. This little drive is the master work drive of this entire studio. It mounts fast, it transfers data really fast. I take it everywhere with me. When I come back to the studio, it sits on my console, I plug it in, sync to the cloud, and I continue to work.
I'm gonna go ahead and cut a vocal.
Awesome.
friends over feelings, denial over dealing. Our hearts know what they need, but your mind and mine are too damn practical.
What a cool part. Will you let me bring back the wind chime?
I think 2020 should be the year of wind chimes.
Your mind and mine are too damn practical.
Past drives would fail on the road after being dropped and banged around.
So I am a very clumsy person. I am known to spill multiple beverages in the studio.
Oh my god.
The bass, it's like that. I shouldn't have said it.
This is my biggest fear come true.
Having the Elektron withstand anything, that's just really great for me to know.
Definitely the best work drive I've had to date. My work environment at home is incredible because of OWC products.
What's up?
I want to play this drum idea for you for the outro.
Oh, yes. Let me hear the drums.
Having my production rig from OWC is a game changer.
And I know that I'm prepared for anything. It really just allows me to be creative with no limits.